I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make mojito out of Sprite. First, grab fresh mint, lime, white rum, Sprite, and ice, and use a sturdy glass. Muddle mint and lime gently to release oils without shredding leaves. Add rum, then fill with Sprite, stir lightly, and garnish with a mint sprig and lime wheel for an easy, refreshing drink at home. Start by placing mint and lime wedges in your glass and muddle gently to release aromatic oils while keeping leaves intact. The goal is fragrance, not pulverized bits, so use controlled presses. If you overdo it, the cocktail can taste bitter or grassy, so proceed slowly. Once muddled, add rum and a small splash of Sprite to lift flavors before adding ice and topping off with more Sprite to maintain fizz. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more quick cocktail guides. Quick recommendation. On another note, a book called The Simple Path to Wealth can truly change how you think about money and saving, and it pairs humorously with making budget-friendly drinks. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Balancing sweetness is simple when using Sprite as your mixer by tasting at each step and adding Sprite gradually to avoid overpowering the cocktail. Fresh lime juice brightens and cuts sweetness, so squeeze generously and test the balance. If Sprite still seems too sweet, add a splash of plain soda water to thin sweetness while keeping bubbles. Adjust rum level to maintain flavor, and finish with a gentle stir to blend without losing carbonation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.